Hello, everyone. Thanks for joining Top Shelf CRM's webinar today, Solving Your Top 10 Salesforce Problems. My name is Talia Jackson, and I'm one of the sales managers here at Top Shelf CRM. And from the Top Shelf CRM team, you'll be hearing from myself and Chris Oliver, Director of Consulting. And during this webinar, we will cover the 10 most common Salesforce problems that Top Shelf has seen over the past 10 years from working with more than 200 clients. Most importantly, we will also detail how we have helped solve these problems and how this has improved user experience and increased adoption. Just as a brief background on Top Shelf CRM, for the past 10 years, we've helped hundreds of organizations take full advantage of the powerful functionality of their Salesforce platform. Our headquarters is located in the greater Washington, D.C. area, and we serve clients in the US, Canada, and throughout Europe. Our certified Salesforce developers can help support your full-time Salesforce staff or help scale Salesforce development projects. We have a deep experience across the laundry services, financial services, nonprofit, education, healthcare, and government industries, to just name a few. Regarding our Salesforce development work, our consultants have worked on over 200 development projects. In terms of user adoption and rep productivity, our clients on average have seen an 84% increase on Salesforce ROI. Currently, we have dozens of consultants working to help organizations achieve a maximum ROI on their Salesforce investment. Now I'll turn it over to Chris to discuss the 10 most common Salesforce challenges we have seen with customers and how we've helped solve them.
Thank you, Tali. As Tali mentioned earlier, we have supported clients across all different verticals and geographic locations. And interestingly, we found very common problems recur among Salesforce users, regardless of their industry or geography. We'll go down this list now with the top 10 problems that we have seen and that we continue to solve for clients. For number one, we ensure that users are utilizing the standard Salesforce lead to opportunity conversion process. This may require conversion or implementation of new processes, or maybe even a reconfiguration of existing processes. For number two, we identify existing manual processes and workflows and provide recommendations to create automations. This includes a combination of workflow rules, approval processes, and Apex triggers. Number three, each org is different and the needs of each company are also different. This means that we can help you with integrating Salesforce with anything from a backend Oracle database to a third-party email marketing tool like Marketo. Whatever external tool you'd like to use, we can help it integrate with Salesforce. For number four, we help with data extraction, manipulation, and migration of data from a legacy database into Salesforce. This helps ensure the 360-degree view of all data so that Salesforce dashboards display relevant and actionable data in a single CRM platform. With all of this information, let's now go to number five, which is timely. In order to have actionable insights to also share data, we unleash the full power of the Salesforce reporting capabilities. 10 out of 10 clients we've seen have issues with duplicate data, and that's why we have number 6 on the list. We help with deduplication management. This includes setting up internal Salesforce and also external mechanisms to prevent duplicates from being created and also merged. For users of the Service Cloud as well, in addition to the Sales Cloud, we can also help you. And now we'll get to number 7, which highlights how we can help setting up the case management process and enabling that workflow. There's also a need to leverage some of the other functionality of Salesforce, and that's where we see in 8 through 10, which includes inbound channels, communities, partner portals, and marketing automation. We have strong support, and we can help with the likes of HubSpot, Pardot, Marketo, etc. Our company was founded to help customers customize Salesforce by taking the frustrations out of the process. Time and again, we have seen that in just a few short weeks of development, we truly help customers maximize their usage of Salesforce and get the results they're looking for from their CRM investment, which many times is very substantial in cost. In addition, we also provide API integrations, web development, email marketing automation development, and more. In addition to the services on the screen, we also have additional service offerings that can help your company. Feel free to contact us directly to learn more. Now I'll run through a few of our different clients that we've supported recently, just to give a background of who we can help and what industries and what sizes. First, Adobe. To fix problems with their sales process, a reporting and increase automation, we developed custom Apex code to help Adobe scale their sales teams by tracking accuracy and performance of each individual sales rep. Anne Arundel Workforce Development Center, to fix problems with their reporting, increase automation, and integrate with third-party systems, we provided over 250 hours of custom development that improved the user experience and user adoption by reducing the amount of clicks and manual data that the team has to perform. Excuse me. With AEI, to fix problems with marketing automation and integration with third-party systems, we provided several hundred hours of custom development for Salesforce and Marketo development. And for Fora Financial, to fix problems with reporting, increasing automation, an archaic sales process, and integrating with third-party systems, TopshelfCRM has provided over 1,000 hours of custom Salesforce, Oracle, HubSpot, and API integration development. And NACD, the National Association of Corporate Directors, to fix problems with reporting, increasing marketing automation, integrating with third-party systems, and implementing customer portals, we have provided over 2,000 hours of custom Salesforce, Marketo, Google Analytics, and API integration development work. And finally, Unite Here Health, to perform a complete Salesforce implementation and integrate with third-party systems and launch Salesforce for 50 new users. We developed over 400 hours of custom Salesforce development to enable a 360-degree view of customer data. The clients that you see on the screen are just a small sampling of the clients that we've helped in the past decade. I'll now turn it back over to Tali.
Thanks, Chris. Top Shelf CRM understands that it can be difficult to select a firm that can deliver quality development work while also understanding the ins and outs of their organization. To help our clients, we don't require a minimum monthly retainer, and we do not charge for requirements gathering. This helps organizations like yours because you can purchase our services on an as-needed basis and not feel the pressure of purchasing extra services. This means that we can help you with a small project and showcase our Salesforce expertise. This will also allow us to examine other areas where we can help you improve your Salesforce platform. This concludes today's webinar, and I'd like to thank everyone for joining. Everyone in attendance will receive a recording of this webinar so that you can watch it at a different time or share it with another team member. You will receive an email after this webinar that provides our direct contact information so that we can visit about your next Salesforce development project. We'll go ahead and end the recording and find out what questions the audience has.